The 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD chassis combines robust capability with advanced technology, making it an ideal choice for heavy-duty tasks. Benefit from the automatic rear-locking differential for enhanced traction and trailer mirrors for improved visibility while towing, ensuring you tackle any job with. Step inside to find a premium audio system delivering crisp sound and the Chevrolet Infotainment 3 system for intuitive control and connectivity. Call or visit Capital Chevrolet GMC of Lexington today to schedule your test drive of the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 3500.